I am John de Brébeuf, a Jesuit missionary from France, sent to Canada in the 17th century. With Isaac Jogues and companions, we preached among the Huron and Iroquois peoples, learning their languages, sharing their lives, enduring hunger, cold, and danger. Our mission bore fruit, but also fierce opposition. Captured, tortured, and martyred, I offered my life for the conversion of souls. Isaac Jogues endured mutilation, returned to France, and yet came back to Canada, longing to serve until his martyrdom. We died, but the faith grew, watered by our blood. To you I say, the gospel is costly, but it is worth every drop of sacrifice. Carry Christ across every border of culture, of comfort, of fear. Trust that no suffering in his name is wasted.